Hello, where am I? Yeah, I'll fix that really quick. See how much of water was coming down. So, started trenching there, down that way. But then I went up here. Look at that. So, some of that will just go into the garden there. And this, where I'm working presently. So that's where I'm working. And so I've just diverted that water that way. So we've got a nice creek bed flowing down the drive instead of here, down that way. So there we go. That didn't take much at all. We get a few more of those plants from there. I'll thin that out a bit and put them there. We're in for lots and lots of rain and wind today, tonight, so I'll love you and leave you all. So that took about, excuse me, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. That'll save that bit. Okay, sorry it's all a bit wobbly. Take care everyone, stay dry. Hooroo.